Instagram has just introduced a brand new feature called Repost, and it could help your content go viral like never before. This Repost feature allows you to reshare other creators' posts and reels directly to your profile. Now, just like on TikTok, anything you repost will show up in a separate Reposts tab on your profile. That way, your followers can see the content you've shared from others, and you can always revisit those posts later. So how exactly do you repost something? It's super simple. Just head over to the post or reel you want to share. Right next to the share button, you'll see a new repost icon. Tap it, and that content will immediately be reposted, and it will appear under the Reposts tab on your profile. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that you can only repost content if the person has access to the feature and has enabled it on their end. So if you don't see the repost button on any specific post, it likely means that the creator either disabled reposts for that content or they haven't received the feature yet, since Instagram is rolling it out gradually to users. Now, if you want people to be able to repost your own content, you need to make sure that the feature is enabled on your account. First, make sure you've updated your Instagram app to the latest version. Also, your account has to be public because this feature doesn't work for private accounts. Once you've updated and confirmed that your account is public, open the Instagram app and then go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner to access the settings menu. Scroll down to the section called How Others Can Interact with You and tap on Sharing and Reuse. Under that, you'll find the setting labeled Reposts on Posts and Reels, and it's usually turned on by default, but it's a good idea to check. If it is toggled on, other people will be able to repost your content. And of course, if you'd rather not allow reposts, just toggle it off. On the other hand, in case you accidentally repost someone's content, just go to your profile, then navigate to the Reposts tab. From there, you'll find all the content that you've reposted. So just locate the content that you accidentally reposted, and then you click on the repost feature again to unrepost, if that is the right way to say.